Now this, and now next I'm finding sum of the roots and product of the roots. Sum of the roots. Means alpha plus beta. Now add the first one minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta value means minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The denominator is same. Now add the numerators minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac plus of minus means minus b plus of minus means minus b square minus 4ac plus this is minus get cancel. What is the left? Minus b by 2a. Minus b means 2 times of minus 2b by 2a. 2 get cancel, minus b by a. This is the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now product of the roots. Means alpha into beta. Alpha value minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into beta value minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here the two fractions multiply, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, like that I multiply. 2a into 2a denominators, and now numerators minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac into minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. This is both are a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is equal to, we have a square minus b square. Now this formula I am applying. A square means minus b, b square means this total. A square means minus b whole square minus b square means square root of b square minus 4ac whole square by here 2 into 2 4 a into a square. Now minus b whole square means b square, here minus square root get cancel means b square minus 4ac is the left, and down 4a square. And next remove the bracket. Here nothing is means plus minus into plus minus b square minus into minus plus 4ac by 4a square. Here plus b square minus b square get cancel. Plus minus get cancel. The left 4ac by 4a square. 4 get cancel. 1a left here. C by a. Therefore the product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Thank you.